Another day, another dollar. Daylight comes, I'm on my way. Another day, another dollar. Working my whole life away.
What's going on here, guys? Good to see you again, as friends of mine used to say. Title of the episode, you know what's going on. We got potatoes coming up here. I want to say a big thank you to Basin View Farm, Eric, Mike, and Tristan, and you guys. Lots of New Holland tractors out there and going. I like the green one from south. Red is good too. But thanks for letting me fly around. You can see me in some of the shots. I did most of the flying right from my house here. Nice spot here. Thank you for the shares, likes, and support, guys, on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, all that. I'm on all three of those. Check it out if you're bored. Glad to see everyone's still going and everything. And sorry I didn't get out for Corn Wars and all that. It's just I've been busier doing things, got kind of plans in my mind that I'm going through. And yeah, we're getting, I think this is our 8th or 9th season. I can't even remember now. So yeah, things are moving on. We're getting on to other things now in life. A lot of hockey with my son lately too. I think that's it, guys. Again, thanks for the support and everything. It's hard to, can't stress that enough. Thanks for everything. We've grown exponentially. And I know I've said this before and again, but we're still growing exponentially. And I'm not even trying, really. So, thanks, guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for following along and everything. We'll see what next year brings. I might do a Facebook Live before Christmas. We'll just see how hectic it is, just to say hi, hello to everyone and everything, you know, little questions or whatever, just highs and hellos. And yeah, but sorry I didn't get it for Corn Wars. I kind of am regretting that. Not really, because I was busy at the time anyways, but I do kind of regret not getting out for Corn Wars. But again, we had a drought this year. You'll tell in the potato video that it's dry in the blower and stuff. And I shot this video over a month ago, if not 2. It could have been almost 2 months ago now that I actually went out and drove with it. But yeah, we were in a desperate drought then. Now the field is out there planted in winter wheat and green with snow on it. But anyways, that's how long it's been. Like, share, support. We'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace.
Good goddamn, what a masterpiece. Laid out on the street in front of me. Good goddamn, another tragedy. Laid out on the street in front of me. Prices go up and they don't come down. Cost $40 just to hang around. I know people sleeping on the ground. Prices go up and they don't come down. I wanna know where my money went. I want a new fucking president. Wanna believe that God is benevolent. I wanna know where my money went. Yeah, we all suffer under the cover of the night. Under more of this.